Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and as I promised, I am going to start doing some more videos for the beginner stamper. So we are going to be doing some cards that will probably only use like one stamp set, maybe two, and I am going to start sharing more cards for those of you who are new to stamping or who want to start learning to stamp. I know there's a lot of you out there that just really want to try it but are afraid to because you think it's difficult, and so I'm going to hopefully help you to not be afraid to do it. But I really love this stamp set, and this one is the Dashing Deer. So it is this stamp set right here. It's been a very popular one because this deer is absolutely gorgeous, and then it comes as a bundle with some framelits that will cut out another leaping deer who is absolutely gorgeous too. So we are using this one stamp set, and we're using this deer here, and we're using the Happiest Christmas Wishes for this. Now for this we're going to use a basic 5.5 by 4 1/4. So for those of you who don't know, you are going to cut a piece of, and I'm using the thick Whisperite for this because it is heavier cardstock and it works perfect for card bases. So you are going to cut it at 8.5 by 5.5, and you are going to score it in half at 4 1/4, and that gives you your card base. We're going to mat this. So this is another piece of cardstock, which is shaded spruce. This piece is 5 by 3 3/4. And then to stamp our image, we're going to use a piece that is 4 3/4 by 3.5. Okay, so let's get started with this. And I'm using shaded spruce because it coordinates with our matte cardstock. So I have our deer mounted to a clear block, and we're going to ink him up. Now on the bigger images, I like to take the ink pad to the image. It just makes it easier, and you can see that you have it covered really well. And then we're going to center him. So for those of you, usually I like to stand up when I stamp so I can see that I have it even. And then you're just going to press it down and you're going to get your image. Isn't he beautiful? It is so beautiful. And then we're going to use the Happiest Christmas Wishes. And we're just going to stamp that below the deer, right at the bottom. Again, try to center it the best you can, and that is it. So now I am going to use the little poinsettia that, this is all in the same stamp set, and we're going to put one on this side, and then we're going to stamp one on the opposite side, just like that. And you are just about done. We're going to just mat him to our shaded spruce piece of mat, and the great thing about Stampin' Up!, everything coordinates, and I love that. The paper, the cardstock, the ink, everything coordinates perfectly. So just take some snail and adhere that and center it onto your matte piece, and then we're going to put it onto our card base. And then we're going to center that again. Now we are going to jazz this up just a hair by using some of our rhinestones that we have. And we're going to put a rhinestone on each one of the poinsettias here, just in the center. And it's just going to dress it up, and it just makes it look so much more elegant with that on there. So there you have it. It's very simple, and anyone can do it. I hope you give it a try. It'll be a lot of fun learning how to stamp. Way back when I first got my stamp, actually one of my bosses that I worked for bought me for my birthday some embossing powder and some stamps and ink, and oh my goodness, it was the best thing that happened to me. So I hope you give it a try and have fun making your Christmas cards. Thanks everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com, and this is my November hostess code. If you use it, you get put in a drawing for hostess dollars. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.